What if you could turn $100 into something more today? Maybe even a substantial amount? Is it possible to catch the perfect trade every time, or do we have to settle for making the best out of what the market gives us? Today, I'm taking you along with me as I dive into the world of trading. I've done the analysis, picked out the most promising currency pairs, and chosen the indicators that should help guide my decisions. But can we rely solely on indicators, or is there something else that really makes a trade successful? Let's take a look together as we go through the strategy, one trade at a time. Ready to see how this plays out? Let's start trading. We're on the broker platform with a $50 balance. Today, we're starting with this amount and opening trades on a 1-minute time frame. I've selected the best currency pairs with optimal movement and high payout percentages, all with OTC status. We'll use a trend-following strategy with the fractal and alligator indicators. I've always said that trading on the OTC market is best done by following the trend, but we'll also look for opportunities to trade against it. Let's get started and pick our first currency pair. Here, we're opening a buy trade. We've found a good entry point based on the crossing of the alligator's moving averages. In this area, we see the crossover happening and the local minimum is updated by the fractal. The price dynamics could either change direction or give us a strong price pullback. So after this pullback pattern, we're opening the buy trade. We have about 20 seconds left until completion. Let's see how it goes. Our first trade closed easily in profit. Let's continue trading and pick the next pair. Here, we're opening a buy trade in the direction of the trend. The entry wasn't ideal. We got in after a sharp upward impulse and the trade opened a few levels higher. However, I still think the price dynamics will continue upwards. The overall trend is bullish on this pair, and we're focusing on this price correction, the update of the local minimum by the fractal, and the price moving higher. We also expect a crossover of the alligator's moving averages soon, so we're opening a buy trade here. Let's see how it plays out. The trade closed in profit, but we got a bit lucky as the candle didn't give a sharp downward impulse. At the start of the trade, I mentioned that the entry wasn't ideal because the candle initially shot up and that could have resulted in a loss. However, we still saw the price move upwards, so we closed the second trade in profit. The signal was absolutely correct. Let's continue trading and pick the next currency pair. Here we're opening a buy trade again. The alligator's moving averages have crossed, and we've seen a strong downward impulse on this candle, but we have enough time for a new candle to form, and most likely the next candle will give a strong upward impulse. So, the entry strategy remains the same. Let's see how this trade performs. And once again, our trade closed in profit in the last few seconds. As I mentioned, there was a strong pullback, and the next candle showed a strong upward movement, which is why the trade closed in profit. Let's continue trading and pick the next currency pair. Here, we're opening a buy trade again, in the direction of the trend. The bullish dynamics are prevailing here. We had a price correction from the local high, followed by a pullback. Now we're seeing a new local minimum forming, and I believe this is a good entry point for a buy trade. Let's see how this trade performs. About 25 seconds left until completion. And once again, our trade closed easily in profit. Let's adjust the trade size and continue our trading. Now let's pick the next currency pair. Here, we're opening a sell trade in the direction of the trend. We just had a crossover of the alligator's moving averages, the price is in a consolidation zone, and the dynamics have been flat. Now we see the moving averages crossing downward, indicating a bearish trend. After a pullback in the price action, we're opening the trade in the direction of the trend. Let's see how it plays out. About 20 seconds left until completion. And once again, our trade closed in profit. We timed the entry perfectly and the right entry point secured the positive result. Let's adjust the trade size to $651 and open 2 trades for a total of $1,302. Let's continue and pick the next currency pair. Here, we're opening buy trades in the direction of the current trend. We have very strong bullish dynamics right now, and it's likely to dominate because we previously saw strong bearish volumes. Now, the price is recovering, and we're seeing an upward movement from the local minimum. The moving averages are crossing from bottom to top, signaling a bullish trend. So we're opening these trades for an upward move. Let's see how these 2 trades perform. 20 seconds left until completion. And once again, our trades closed easily in profit. As I expected, there was a slight price pullback, which looks like a doji pattern, and the next candle closed the trade in profit. Let's adjust the trade size to 1,000 and open 2 trades for a total of 2,000. Let's continue and pick the next currency pair. Here, we're opening 2 buy trades in the direction of the current trend. The moving averages crossed in this area and we saw a price pullback along with the update of the local minimum. I believe the price dynamics will continue upward, which is why we're opening buy trades here. About 25 seconds left until completion. Let's see how these trades perform. And once again, our trades closed easily in profit. To lock in the gains, let's open the final trades for a total of $4,000. Let's continue and pick the last currency pair. Let's open our final trades for an upward move in line with the current trend. We can see the alligator's moving average is crossing from bottom to top. The jaw's moving average has moved down, while the lips moving average has moved up, signaling a strong bullish trend. We also had a couple of price pullbacks, but now nothing seems to be stopping the price from moving up. That's why we're opening our final trades in the direction of the trend. Let's watch how these final trades perform. And once again, our final trades closed easily in profit. This has been an interesting strategy for today and we made an excellent profit. I'm completely satisfied with the results. Now let's place all the earned money in our safe. I think the total amount will be $7,900. And with that, we've locked in our profit. Make sure to like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts on this strategy and my trading today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a great day and good luck with your trading.